Okay, in this video I would like to tell you a bit more about the document view here. And to do that, I'm going to load a molecule in the PDB format. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. I accept these options of the PDB parser that's inside one of the SAMSON elements I have by default. And I now see this protein inside my viewport. And in the document view, I now have one thing in the layer 1, which is a structural model. So we'll come back to this, but in SAMSON, nanosystems are represented through 5 categories of models. Structural models, with a blue icon here, to represent atoms and bonds, so the geometry and the topology of a molecule or a nanosystem in general. Visual model with a yellow icon, we'll come back to that, to have alternate graphical representations of nanosystems. For example, a secondary structure representation would be a visual model. Dynamical models with a green icon. Dynamical models represent degrees of freedom in a nanosystem. For example, a particle system would associate 3 Cartesian degrees of freedom to each atom. Interaction models with a red icon here are force fields that are applied to dynamical models to determine the energies and forces associated to each degree of freedom in a dynamical model. And property models with a black icon to represent other types of properties of nanosystems. So here in my document view, I have this structural model that was created by my PDB parser, and I can unfold its structure to see how the molecule is organized. So basically I always have a root node in a structural model, which represents the list of the hierarchy of structural nodes. And in this root node, in this tree, I have one molecule with a M icon here. So the one YRF molecule, which contains one segment with a S icon called prot, and a list of residues, amino acids, with the icon R. Each residue is split into 2 subnodes, the side chain, icon SC, and the backbone, icon B. And finally, if I unfold completely, I see the list of atoms and bonds composing this side chain and this backbone. And if I select a node, it's going to be highlighted in the viewport. For example, if I select this amino acid here, I can see that it's located here. If I select this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, I can see where they are. I can perform more complex selections and see where everything is located in the viewport. Okay, so that's it for models, structural models, visual models, dynamical models, interaction models, and property models, and this document view here. Thank you very much.